Hello again, and now we shall work on problem set 2, problem 3, the 7-segment display problem. And I've done a lot of pre-cooking on this video because I'm fairly certain you don't want me to watch me fill out this entire thing. And so, here we have the encoding that I'm going to use. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 here, which I would figure are fairly standard. And then I decided to write a capital A. Since a capital B would look like an 8, I made a lowercase b. This is my C. Since a lowercase d would probably look like a 0, I mean an uppercase D would look like a 0. I have a lowercase d, and then my E's and F's look like they would normally do. And as a reminder, this is F6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And so to do parts A and B, I kind of figured I can do them together. So this is the number, this is the code word, and then this is the truth table. So essentially I'm doing parts A and B together, and so, for example, I can convert F here to the binary representation of 1, 1, 1, 1. And hopefully you should be fairly familiar with this. This is just purely counting in the truth table for the input variables. And then for my output variables here, basically I need to go through each one of these and figure out, okay, based on these, what number I want, which lights are on and which lights are off. And so I'm going to do D, E, and F on this for you. And so we have D here, and we know that lights S0 and S5 are off, so I'm just going to mark those first, and then I know the rest are on, so I'm just going to fill in each step. Here in E, I have S1 and S2 are off, and the rest are on. And then we have F here, S1, S2, and S3 are off, and the rest are on. So that is my truth table. So now I need to come up with a Boolean expression for S5 and S0. So this is going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to go through S5 and I will just write S0 for you to see in the PDF. So S5 is going to be N3 bar, N2 bar, N1 bar, and 0 bar. And then we have it in 4. So, and then I'm going to OR that with N3 bar, N2, N1 bar, and 0 bar, or N3 bar, N2, N1 bar, and 0, or with 6, and 3 bar, and 2, and 1, and 0, and bar. And then we come down to the second half of this table. With 8, we've got for N3, N2, N1, and 0, 9, N3, N2 bar, and 1 bar, and 0. 10, we've got N3, N2 bar, and 1, and 0. And we've got a 1 at B, so that's just N3, N2 bar, and 1, and 0. And then we've got C, N3, N2, and 1, and 0, both of these barred. And then we've got E, which is N3, N2, N1, and 0 bar, or N3, N2, N1, and 0. And I'm fairly certain you don't want to watch me do S0 as well, as it's going to take just as much time. So that is it for this video.